Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to install the Record to Slides extension. So first, I'm just opening up a little window here in Google and I'm typing in, this is on my Chromebook, so I'm typing in Record to Slides Chrome. There we go, it'll bring up everything that matches. And it's the very first one there, it says Record to Slides Chrome Web Store. Just click on that link there. And it will appear here under the extensions. And all I have to do is click on Add to Chrome. And then it says it can do all of these things. Yes, I'm going to add extension if I'm comfortable with that. It's now downloaded it. It's been added to Chrome. And if I'm looking for it, it'll be up here. Now it isn't pinned to my bar. So what I'll do is I'll click on that little puzzle piece up there. I'll take a look here. And these are all the extensions that I have that I'm currently using. And Record to Slides, I'm actually going to pin it. Once I pin it, it'll actually appear at the very top. It's still downloading it, but now I know it'll be there, pinned at the top. So I'm ready to use it. It'll be right there waiting for me.
Now that I've installed the Record to Slides extension, I'm ready to start recording right into my Google Slides. So I've opened up a Google slideshow that I was working on for students, and you may notice there's already a little purple mote. I've used the mote extension to put in auditory instructions. But we know that some of our students, the auditory is not going to be just enough for them. They might need to see our lips moving, they might need to see us holding up realia or gesturing to help with their comprehension, and that's okay. We can accommodate that by also putting in some video content. So that's where this comes in handy. I see the nice blue icon at the very top of my screen with a plus sign on it. I'll go ahead and click that now. It'll open up and I can see myself on the camera here. I can say hello. It's not recording yet though. In order to record, I need to click on this green button. As soon as I click that, it will turn red. I'll start recording. And then when I'm done, I'll click on it again. It will turn green. So I'll show you how that works. I'll start recording the instructions for this slide. Watch the video, then talk with your group about the questions. 1. Where does light come from? 2. Can we feel light? 3. Do we need light? Now I've clicked off, so I've stopped recording onto the slides, and now it instantly popped up this little video, and I can play on it. I just have to click on it, and then I can play and listen and make sure I sound okay and that you can see my lips. That looks good enough to me. And whenever I'm making video content, I have to just put my perfectionism aside and say, yeah, good enough. I could see my lips. I could hear my voice. It's fine. So now that I've said, yes, this is good, I just double check to make sure it says anyone in my domain can view this. The other options here are anyone like in the world or private, just me. I want to say anyone in my domain. So anyone in the WRDSB can now see this. Now that I've done that, I'm going to scroll down and click the word OK. What this will do now is it will generate a nice little video file that automatically gets put into my presentation. Now, I don't like that it's up there because it's covering the auditory one for the children who only need to hear the auditory. So I want to actually move that. All I'm going to do is left click on it or click with one finger on a Chromebook. And I'm going to drag it down. Now it's covering some of my words, so of course I can resize it and make it small. Now what I've done to be consistent, to make this as easy as possible in terms of accessibility for my students, on the left-hand side here, you can see all of my mote auditory instructions are all on the top left-hand corner. So in order to make this the same standardized on every page so that kids always know where to click first, I'm going to put the video instructions on the bottom left. And now when they see this in a presentation, they'll go, oh, I see. If I'm the person who just needs to hear the words, I can click the big purple one. If I'm the person who needs to see the teacher talking, then I'm going to click on this bottom one. And they can do so and see that video there with the instructions right there. That's as simple as that. It's pretty easy to use this, so please feel free to try it out. Let me know if you're having any difficulties. It's Kimiko_Shibata at wrdsb.ca. I look forward to hearing from you.